Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel for more video. So friends, today I am going to show you the best screen recorder with no ads and with face cam. So I am going to start for the work. So all what you have to do, you have to go the Play Store on your mobile or tab and go to the search bar, write the screen recorder. See there, write this screen recorder over here. After the gift search, after search you will get lot of result here. You can see lot of results. So today we talk about a screen recorder with no ads and with face cam. So I show you, you just look for this icon. Similar there is have another icon. So actually today we are going to download this app. You can see there is written no ads with screen recorder. There is a lot of ads app regarding screen recording. I am using some of them, but I like this one, that's why I am trying to review this one. This is not professional promotion video, this is just my experience I am going to show you guys. So download this app. After that this become a coming in your screen like that, screen recorder. Okay, now just open it. I'll show you this interface how it look like. So when you open this one, you can see in the down there is a menu bar like videos. Whatever video you are recording, it will come show here. This is a menu bar. This is gallery if you want to input something here. This setting, and there is a trim and cart split, whatever you want. And if you need any help from this support, you can ask there. So now I am going to show you the settings. When you open the settings, first you get there is time delay before recording. That means when you start your recording, during the recording, that time that will give you time for be ready yourself for seconds. So you can increase this one by 5-10 seconds, how much as you want. So 3 seconds is enough. I recommend for 3 seconds. Then make it okay. Second, you see there is a recording engine. So this is the one how you set up like push button. While you recording, if you want to push, then you want to do something, you can do it. So advanced engine support push, select this one, this is the better. Third is magic button. Magic button is more important thing here. You can see off, which one I already on. So just for you showing, I just make it off. Okay, and again I make it on. Okay, now you can see single tap, push and resume. So you can make a single tap what you want. So you just as per your requirement you can select any of those of them, like you stop, draw, like that. So I make single tap, push and resume. So when you single tap, this will be pause for a while. So after that you can do another one. Second, double tap is can pause, resume or stop, draw, whatever you want setup. I set up for myself the stop. So whenever I want to stop, I make double tap, this already stop. Long press the draw mean you understand. See, I now make long press on the screen, then you can see there is draw coming, draw color coming. Now you can draw whatever, wherever you want. Okay, draw like that, you can show mark something what you want. So this is the long term, or if you want another like single tap, draw, as per your requirement you can select it. Okay, the screen capture, for the screen capture you understand already, the screenshot what is called. So you can select the other option, there is all option. And background color, whatever you take, like see there is no blue color, you can take the another color also, like if you want to change, you can change from here. And text color, the text you writing this color how you want, you can write here. So this is the basically setting for the magic button. Then you can see the lock position. Lock position I keep now still here, you can on, like this one is lock position. If you want this one move from there to other side, you know, if you want move this one from there to other side, so you can on it and you can move it from anywhere. Actually this video I am making also with this screen recorder software, so you can see the now sound quality for that one also, and the voice quality or the clarity, you can see the recording quality as well. So I am also recording same software, I am using that, and there is you can make the brightness or whatever you want. Okay, then go to the back. Okay, this is the video setting, which format you want your video. You have, there is a lot of format, which one is best for your requirement, you can select it from here. Then you can see the resolution. This is a great. So whatever you want resolution, you can select from here. Okay, then frame rate, you know, frame rate you can make from here. Video indoor, recording audio, if you want microphone use, you can select here, or if you don't want recording for the voice, no problem, you can off it and make only the recording screen record. And what is the your audio quality, audio rate, whatever you want you set. So best important thing you can check one by one, then you can do and you can try. So I show you the about camera. So you can see there is down here show camera over there, you can see this one show camera. Okay, select this one, open, then you can on your show camera. When you on, if you on this button, there will be coming your camera, so you can use your camera mode from here. So this video I am not using camera, so that I keep it off. So when you want to make on, just make it here on. After that you will get your skin in your face. Then there is you can select the language translation, and there is a night mode schedule, whatever you want. So basically this app designed for every kind of help, whatever you need for the screen recording, all thing you will get here. So personally I like this app, that's why I review for you guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe, and like that more app review I'll show you guys, and I'll show you how to earn money online also. So many site I know is genuine site, so I'll show you guys also. For this one you can subscribe my channel also, this is my request. So thank you very much, and see you the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, till then goodbye.